Hi, welcome to Code Beyond Sight YouTube channel. My name is Agathin. I have 2 years of software development experience. I am a visually impaired software developer. So, if you have visually impairments or blind students, this video very useful for you because I will teach about Python programming with AWS cloud services. You definitely become the soft AWS
What is
service engineer. Okay. uh, Before you learn about, firstly you need to know the how to use NVIDIA screen reader, because I am using the NVIDIA screen reader technology. This all course because
what is Python? Python is a simple and powerful programming language. It is easy to read and write because it looks like normal English. Many beginners start with Python because it has fewer rules compared to other languages. With Python, you can create websites, build apps, work with data, make games, or even control cloud services. Why learn Python with cloud? Cloud means using computers and storage through the internet instead of your own machine. Python is the best tool to control cloud services because it has ready-made libraries that connect with Oz and other cloud platforms. With just a few lines of Python code, you can upload files, start servers, store data, or build applications on the cloud. That's why learning Python first makes it easier to learn cloud computing.
I am Python developer. So the I developed many application, real-time application, automation, scripting, and website backend. So using Flask, Fast API, this frameworks. This frameworks also Python libraries. So we will create the many application and software using Python, because the Python has simple syntax and easy to learn. Visually impaired students are blind students. So this language is very easy to learn, and many libraries available and many communities available uh, to easily learn this programming language. Why learn Python with cloud? Because the Python programming language has the multiple libraries to control the cloud. We can send the mail, we can upload the files, videos in cloud, we can create the server. So this is very useful for us because this is inbuilt libraries is already wrote in Python. So we will easy to use the libraries, we create the application and deploy the projects. So